Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a wedding website in Canva. First, navigate to Canva's website section and search for wedding website. You'll find hundreds of beautiful, professionally designed templates. Select one that perfectly captures your wedding's unique style and theme. This initial choice sets the foundation for your entire site, making the design process incredibly smooth and enjoyable. It's a fantastic way to kickstart your creative journey. Now, let's personalize your chosen template. Canva makes it simple to change colors, fonts, and background images to match your wedding palette. Upload your favorite engagement photos and any custom graphics you've created. You can easily drag and drop elements, resize sections, and even add new pages to ensure your website feels uniquely yours. This step truly brings your vision to life, making your site a beautiful reflection of your special day. Every great wedding website needs essential information. Be sure to include a clear RSVP page where guests can confirm attendance and specify meal preferences. Provide a detailed schedule for your wedding day, along with venue addresses and directions. Don't forget a gift registry page with direct links to your chosen stores. You might also add a section for accommodation suggestions and local activities for guests traveling from afar. Once your beautiful wedding website is complete, it's time to publish and share it. Before going live, carefully review every page for accuracy and completeness. Canva allows you to publish your site using a free Canva domain, or you can connect your own custom domain for a more personalized touch. Share the unique link with all your guests, and remember, you can always go back and make updates or changes even after it's published.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.